To combat the menace of ragging, the University Grants Commission has developed regulations in 2009. UGC has created a series of monitoring mechanisms and raised awareness across higher educational institutions. As part of these efforts, the UGC has designated the 12th of August as the Anti-Ragging Day, followed by Anti-Ragging Week from the 12th to 18th of August every year. This initiative is an essential communication tool in raising awareness against ragging. Hello and welcome back all the higher educational institutions. I'm Alka Tomar, Chairperson of the Center for Youth, the UGC National Anti-Ragging Monitoring Agency. We are excited to present our latest video on celebration of Anti-Ragging Day and Anti-Ragging Week. The students and the higher education institutions are informed to participate proactively in these activities during Anti-Ragging Day and Week. For this purpose, we have created a dedicated page on antiragging.in website. Let us explore the resources and information we have on the website for you. The students and the higher education institutions are informed to participate proactively in these activities during Anti-Ragging Day and Week. For this purpose, we have created a dedicated page on antiragging.in website. Let us explore the resources and information we have on the website for you. On this dedicated page, you will see a set of sections and links. I'm going to explain you how you can download and browse and use this. First of all, use the hashtag YARI, Youth Against Ragging, in all your activities and social media posts related to Anti-Ragging Day and Week. You can also download UGC advisory on this. Always tag UGC and C4Y in all the social media posts related to your celebration. There's a section called Instructions, and in this section, there's a set of activities and the norms that are defined that will help you to plan your activities. The key outline of the activities are: first, you can share anti-ragging video message from the head of your institute on your social media platforms and the official website. You can also organize activities such as orientation programs, competitions, seminars, workshops, video screenings for your students as well as for your faculty. The institutes who will organize more and more activities will be recognized. The celebration activities can also be extended throughout the entire month depending on the availability of your student in the campuses. Also consider setting up anti-ragging selfie corners across the prominent location in your campuses and check the download section for the printable design files. Also forward this information to all the colleges within your authority to ensure a widespread celebration of Anti-Ragging Week and celebration activities. In the download section, you will have access to all creative designs for Anti-Ragging Day and Week, including celebration creatives, banners, posters, and selfie stands, which you can download. These are printable, high-resolution creatives. In the video section, you will find information and updates on Anti-Ragging Day and Week here. So keep watching. Action taken is very important section. Once you complete your celebration activities, you need to come back here and submit your educational institution action taken report on Anti-Ragging Day and Week. The step-by-step process is shared in another video. Thank you for joining us in the mission to create a ragging-free academic environment. Your efforts in raising awareness and participating in Anti-Ragging Day and Week activities make a significant difference. Center for Youth, the UGC National Anti-Ragging Monitoring Agency, is dedicated to create ragging-free campuses. Remember to check out for more anti-ragging awareness videos here, and let us continue to make our education institution welcoming and inclusive spaces for all. So stay safe and stay informed. Thank you.